Alright guys, so today I want to do a quick unboxing and review on my new barbecue grill lights. So you can see it's this one right here. It's got 10 high lumen bulbs inside, and this is the way you'll install it on there. Let me show you what else it comes with. It comes with the instruction manual as well as the batteries for it, which is super handy that it actually comes with everything. And then this piece will unscrew, and this is where the batteries will be stored nice and safe. So I'm going to go ahead and put the batteries in there. Okay, once you safely put those batteries in there, you'll just go ahead and seal it back up. And once it's fully sealed, we'll put the other piece as well. But look, it's already working and it is pretty bright. This is like a touchscreen button on here. As you can see, it does get on pretty bright. So the installation, really simple. You just twist that little thing onto the handle and look how good that looks. So I don't know about you guys, but I do a lot of grilling at night and this is going to come in super handy. So if you're looking for a nice barbecue light, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.